Good morning, students. Yesterday we had done meaning of business, meaning of human activities, types of human activities, meaning of economic activities, its types, meaning of non-economic activities and its types. Today we are going to do classification of business activities. All business activities can be divided into two broad categories. These are industry and commerce. Today we are going to discuss about industry. Industry refers to an activity which converts raw material into useful products. Industry includes activities related to production and processing, as well as activities related to rearing and reproduction of animals or other living species. Industry can be classified into three types: primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry. So let's begin first with primary industry. Primary industry includes all those activities which are concerned with extraction and production of natural resources and reproduction and development of living organisms, plants, etc. These are further divided into two types: extractive industries and genetic industry. Extractive industries are those in which involve extraction of something from natural resources such as minerals from earth, fish from rivers and seas, timber from forests, etc. The products of extractive industry can be directly used or become the raw material for further industries. Second is genetic industry. The industries which are involved in the activities of rearing and breeding of living organisms, that is birds, plants and animals, etc. For example, rearing of cattle for milk, poultry farms, rearing of plants in nursery, growing fish in ponds, etc. are included in genetic industry. Second type of industry is secondary industry. The secondary industry makes use of products which are extracted and produced by primary industry as their raw materials and produce finished goods. For example, mining of iron ore is done in primary industry, but steel manufacturing is done in secondary industry. There are two kinds of secondary industries. First is manufacturing industry, second is construction industry. Manufacturing industries are engaged in the process of conversion of raw materials or semi-finished goods into finished goods. The manufacturing industries produce two types of goods, that is consumer goods and industrial goods. Consumer goods are those goods which are directly consumed by the consumer, for example cloth, oil, bread, etc. Industrial goods are those which are produced by manufacturing consumer goods, for example machinery, equipment, tools, etc. Now next is types of manufacturing industries. Analytical industries. In analytical industries, the basic raw material is broken into different parts to produce finished goods. For example, crude oil is processed and finished products such as petroleum, diesel, kerosene, etc. are manufactured. Second is synthetic industry. In synthetic industry, two or more materials are mixed together to manufacture some new product. For example, various chemicals are used to produce soap, paints, cosmetics, etc. Third type is processing industry. In processing industry, the raw material is processed through various stages of production and then finished goods are manufactured. For example, textile industry, sugar industry. Fourth type is assembly industry. In assembly industry, various finished products are combined to produce new finished product. For example, manufacturing of computers, manufacturing of cars, televisions, etc. Second type of secondary industry is construction industry. These industries are concerned with the construction of buildings, dams, roads, etc. Third type of industry is tertiary industry. These industries are concerned with providing support services to primary and secondary industries, as well as activities relating to trade. The various services provided by tertiary industries are transport, that facilitates movement of goods from one place to another. Second service it provides is banking. It means it provides credit facility to industries and trading firms. Third service is provided by tertiary industries: insurance. That means it provides coverage from various types of risks. Fourth service is warehousing. It provides storage space for goods produced by providing warehousing services to primary and secondary industry. Fifth is advertising. Provides information to the consumers about the products produced by secondary and primary industry.